List 13, 3, 4, 5. This is your try video. So this is just a review of your roots and their meanings, meaning 3, 4, and 5. This video is about the root try, which means 3, and it is a Greek root. So your words are tricycle, trilogy, trimester, triathlon, triceratops, trio, tripod, triangle, trident, and trisect. So your first word is triathlon. This is a long distance race that has 3 parts: swimming, bicycling, and running. So you can see pictures there of each of those events. So on your homework for triathlon, I want you to either write the 3 parts of a triathlon, or you can draw a picture for the 3 parts that you would do if you were participating in a triathlon. Tricycle, this is a 3-wheeled vehicle that a person rides by pushing on foot pedals. So if you think back to the word bicycle, bi meaning 2, mean 2-wheeled. Tricycle means a 3-wheeled vehicle, just like a bicycle. So trilogy, this is a series of 3 novels, 3 movies, etc. that are closely related and involve the same characters or themes. So you can see there are 3 Lord of the Rings. We call that the Lord of the Rings trilogy. There are 3 of them. So on your homework, I want you to write an example of a trilogy. It can either be books or movies or something else that you think of. A trilogy, a set of 3. Triceratops, this is a large dinosaur that had 3 horns on its head and 8 plants. You can see there's 2 big horns and 1 little horn. Triceratops. Trio is a group of 3 singers or musicians who perform together. So you can see that there are 3 men in this picture, all playing a different instrument. They are a trio. Trimester. This is a period of 3 months or one of 3 periods into which a school year is sometimes divided. So our school is divided into marking periods, and we have 4 marking periods. Some schools are divided into 3 groups of time, and it's called trimesters. Instead of 4 marking periods, you would have 3 trimesters. Tripod, this is a support or a stand for a camera, telescope, etc. that has 3 legs. So you can see this figurine in the picture has a camera on a tripod, and you can see the 3 legs on that tripod. Sorry, let's go back to trimester. For trimester, I want you to write the months, a period of 3 months that could be in a trimester. Triangle, this one's pretty easy. It's a shape that is made up of 3 lines and 3 angles. You should be pretty familiar with that. Trisect, this is to divide something into 3 parts, typically 3 equal parts. So you can see that circle. I made my best attempt to trisect it, to divide it into 3 equal parts. And your last word is trident. This is a fishing spear that has 3 points and looks like a large fork. So in this picture, this is a statue of the Greek god Poseidon, who is the god of the sea. And typically when you see Poseidon, he is carrying a trident, that large fishing spear that has 3 points and looks like a large fork. So on your homework, go ahead and draw a picture of a trident.